In this video, I will show you how to change the order of products in Hostinger website builder. This is my website homepage built using Hostinger website builder, and I have this product section called brand products that shows the products under my category, also called brand products. To change the order of these products, for example, making this hat product first in the list, just go to your store management area, then go to categories, click on the category that shows these products. In my case, it's called brand products. Then scroll down a little bit and drag and move these hat products first in the list. Click on save. Now that this category is updated, let's go back to my website, refresh my website homepage. And as you can see, now the hat shows first in the list. And this is how to change the order of products in Hostinger website builder.